Hello guys, today we are going to see another free AI tool which generates images for free, and it's really completely free. We can generate unlimited images. Okay, before generating image, what we need is surely prompts. For that we are going to use the ChatGPT. I am going to create a beautiful uh, city during the snowfall. No, it's generating images. No, we want to stop it. Why it's doing like this? Okay, now it's working. It's generating the prompt. Okay. The tool we are going to use to generate the AI images is Pic Lumen. It is completely free. You can generate images according to your wish. I have already generated some images. Now I'm going to describe the prompt in the placeholder here. These are the tools. If we have any image reference, we can give it here. But currently, I don't have any image reference for it. This I think it's a premium one, auto translation. Other than English, which we have to give, if it is a premium version, we can give it prompts in another language also. Prompt, and then these are like premium features. I think the model which we want to use. There are so many models in AI, Pic Lumen or Listic, Anime. I think I'll go with Pic Lumen version 2, realistic. For me, the ratio wants to be in like 16 is to 9 is perfect for me. I want two images. Okay, let's give it a task. Okay, it's generating now. How the images are generated. Yeah, it's cool and looking nice. Yeah, the images are looking nice. You can give another prompt like generating anime. Okay, you can generate furthermore. Okay, let's try this one. I'm choosing the model of anime version 2. Okay, okay, next we try this flux one. Now we go with this. Yeah, it's good, looking good, as I said in the prompts. Spiky black hair, sticky black, blonde blue, green eyes. Okay, it's generating as I have given. Okay, next we can. What are the prompts? Flux model. Okay, we don't need it as anime. Okay, I think for this one we can use flux one, flux model. Okay, we can see how this model is working. Okay, the boy is looking, but he's not seeing her. That I think we need to enhance our prompts. We'll tune the prompt and we can give now. Okay, we can give this prompt now. Yeah, it's now working. I think I just said boy and girl, so it given me uh, yeah, early stage teenagers photo. We can enhance and we can. It's all about our prompts. We can enhance our prompts every time, and we can get better results. Okay, I think you guys love the content today I created. Thank you. See you soon.